poppin' YouTube? It's your boy DQ. And I ain't gonna lie, this is a little different night. Look, he coming up with us. I ain't gonna lie, this is a little different night, man. Tonight is the night we went to a car meet. Nah, I ain't gonna cap. When we got there, the shit was empty. We missed it. We was supposed to be there at 7, but I woke up at 9. So, yeah, we kind of just riding around right now. I'm gonna get y'all a little POV. EcuTech come out with a transmission tune, you know how crazy this car will be? Bro, I'm not finna get into that. They need a transmission tune, because these motherfucking 7 auto speed, I said auto speed, what the fuck? Automatic, nigga, these are shit. These are trash. I'll be honest, bro. It was so many times I could have won a race if my transmission was shifting faster, bro. Bro, it is what it is, bro. It's whatever. Get a little tunnel. Bro, this car. This thing pulls. Oh my God. Y'all can't hear what the fuck I'm hearing, bro. y'all, there's no way y'all hear what I'm hearing. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. It just sounds beautiful. Every single time I downshift, that's what it sounds like. It sounds like it's farting a little bit. Alright, y'all, right now we're going to G station because me and him trying to get a thumbnail for our whips. One thing I need on this car is a new CV axle, bro. This motherfucker is so embarrassing because all you hear, because my CV axle was bad. I don't know the previous owner, I don't know who had my car before me, but like, bro, they really wasn't taking care of this shit. So I'm just sitting there taking care of all these motherfucking pieces of it. So CV axle was going out on this shit. And if y'all notice, the reason why is because this motherfucker is kind of high mileage. Yes, it's a new engine in the car. I'm going to get a new trans soon because nigga, I don't trust the one I really have right now. And it shifts slow, like kind of sluggish. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and upgrade. I might get a fucking what's it called? A red sport transmission. I don't know if that's any different. I mean, nigga, it's still a 7-speed auto, but why not? You know? But we finna go get these thumbnails right now. I don't know what the hell he's doing. Oh yeah, another thing we gonna get for the whip, power shelters. We gonna, hold up, he's grabbing on me. Hold up, you get disrespectful. Let's see here. my god, my car dirty. Damn. Oh, that's time. And my lights turned off. Come on now, bro. Fuck mine. That nigga red brakes hard, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, nigga, yeah. Get this shit up out the way, bro. Oh God. Oh, let me get this out. Let me get this out.
I'm gonna get the one with like the middle thingies.
The middle? Oh, you talking about these right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the one that has like the middle things too. And like hold it.
Man, that shit would be hard. And then you gonna lower your shit. Once you lower it, it's gonna look way better. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna look more aggressive. Then you get bigger wheels. You know what I'm saying? You already have the exhaust.
Too. They're gonna make my shit.
Oh yeah. Then the new headlights. Once you get the headlights, man, bitch.
Bro, if I get my shit lower and the headlights, bro, that's low key all I really. That's bullshit. But like, I'm a OD it.
What?
I'm a OD it.
OD? What do you mean by OD it?
Like, do too much.
Oh, okay. Let me get the back end. I thought you was talking about something else, shit. I thought you'd be like, OD off of goddamn perks. I'm like, no, that's not what we doing.
But we need to go back to that car place. Sorry.
Where?
Dealership.
The one by our house?
Yeah.
I ain't tripping. Oh, I found a Ferrari one.
Let's go to that too.
Found a Ferrari dealership.
Let's go to more dealerships.
I need to think of, we already went to Lamborghini. We didn't go to Porsche either.
Nah, let's go to Porsche and then let's go to Mercedes.
I ain't tripping shit. That'd be a good ass video to do. Hold on. Let me get this out.
Low vlog. Rock cutting up.
You said what?
Low vlog, rock cutting up.
Hell yeah.
I'm about to get to editing tonight, boy. I hope you know. I'm not going to sleep. I might need to go get me this right now, man.
Yeah, go ahead, grab you one.
I gotta really go to the gym. I'm still gonna do it. Nigga, you can see where that fucking badges should be and shit.
Hell yeah. I need to get that shit fixed, so I might just black my badges out.
What?
I might get that shit situated, but I might just black mine out. Once I get new badges, I might just black it out. You see that shit? I got the carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Feel me? And I'm gonna get my powder shit. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
I'm gonna get me a new steering wheel too. Oh my god, I need some of this stuff. There's so much money that